up, y'all babes? Welcome back to my 5-week series for small YouTubers on how to grow your YouTube channel and get to your first 1,000 subscribers. In this video, we are going to be creating dope thumbnails. So the app I am using is SUPERIMPOSEX. I'll have that listed in the description below. So what you want to do is start your first session. You pick the image you want, and the standard size for a YouTube thumbnail is 16 by 9. Go ahead and crop the picture the way you want it to look. Press OK. So to get that colorful background that all the YouTubers use, you want to add a layer. So you're going to click photo layer and go down to the right hand corner and click colors. You pick whatever color you want. Make sure you select 16 by 9 so it's the same width as your picture. Go ahead and make that fit to base. Then you want to go down to blend mode. It's down in the right hand corner, and you want to make this look like an overlay so that way you can still see your image through the color. Now this can get a little tedious, so just bear with me. So after you do that, you go back down to that layer section, hit photo layer, and then re-add the same picture that you put underneath that color. I know. Make sure it's 16 by 9, crop it the same way that you did the first picture, and attach it to the top. Now you want to go down and make sure you fit that to base as well. So I know you're probably wondering, like, well, what the heck was the point of putting the color under there if you're gonna cover it? Bear with me. So hit editor, go to mask tool, and then auto mask people. It's going to automatically crop out the picture. Then you can go in with the tool settings and just fix the brush size to whatever size it needs to be and fix any mistakes or any of the picture that wasn't cropped out. After you do that, you are going to go down to editor again, hit tools, scroll all the way down to mask outline. This is where the YouTubers have that colorful glow around them. I don't know, it makes them pop out. So I like to just do a thin white line. Then you want to go back to layers and cast shadow. This is going to make your picture stand out even more. You see how it created that like shadow, cast shadow, yeah, behind me. So you can make that whatever color you want as well, and that just enhanced the picture times 10. All right, now we want to make that thumbnail pop out just a little bit more. So go back to editor and do another outline, but do it in a different color. I like to do it in black, and I like to make it a very thin layer. It makes it look a lot better. And I felt like I looked a little washed out, so you can always change the color and adjust it. So go to adjust and basically just adjust it to your preference. I think that looks good. Just kind of see what you want to do. Turn up the vibrance. I think that looks good all the way up. Yes, give me my melanin back, and yeah, we are done. Now save that, and we're gonna move to the next step. So the next app we're going to be using is PHONTO, and yes, Rihanna is my screensaver. So go ahead and select image and find your image that you saved from SUPERIMPOSEX and go ahead upload that. This is where you're going to add all of your fonts, okay? So you're going to click add text. So you go in and you add whatever font you want, whatever design you want. What I like to do is add a border around my font, just like I did on the picture. It just makes it stand out when you put a border around anything. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward this because I'm going to just do the style how I like it, and you guys can do it how you prefer. If you guys want a more detailed video on how to add a text and more in depth about how to use PHONTO, let me know in the comments down below. Okay, now you want to go ahead and save what you've done. Then you're gonna go back to Superimpose X. As you can see, I moved my picture over just a little bit because my words were too big. So to add the white border that I have around it, you wanna go back into colors, change it to whatever color you want, select that color and put that on top of your final picture. Go back into blend, make it an overlay. And then you wanna go into tools, and that masking tool again, you wanna select the square. And once you do that, you can edit it how big or how small you want your border to be. And then that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and add a few emojis, and then that's pretty much the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.